This is going to be the lobby elevator here at the Caribe Royale in Lake Buena Vista. Oh, look at that, the lantern's glitching. Look at that. Is it? Or maybe it's not anymore. Here it is. All right, let's go down to 1. Ooh, nice. Mid-gen Series 1 from the mid-90s. Let's get a cab view going down. Nice. 988 compliant phone. I'm gonna go up.
Hold on. Let me take a picture of the outside.
All right. All right. It's gonna nudge, so be quick. Yeah, this is obviously a very early version of the newer Series 1.
Yeah.
Appears to be in excellent shape.
Yeah. A clear floor indicator.
Very clear. Crystal clear. We're on 1. And here we are on 1. There's a coal station. And there it goes. To be at. These are going to be the elevators here at Tower 1, Caribe Royale, Lake Buena Vista. Let's see which one we get. Oh, that one, I think. No chime. Going up. Cab view. To 10. Here we go. Otis Series 1, I believe, Elevonic 411. All right, down to 1. 988 compliant phone. Just gonna do 1 ride on these unless you want to do more. Do you want to do another ride or just 1?
Another one would be fine.
All right, we'll do 1 more ride. Fairly nice.
Yeah.
Otis. There's the interlock. Up to 10. Going up?
Yes.
Which floor?
7.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Slow doors. But not as bad as the Monties we rode earlier. Guess we'll go down to 1 and end there. Going down. Weird sensor beep. One. Off here. And there it goes. I'm guessing it may be on peak up, but anyways, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. And that's gonna be it. Tower 2 elevator, Caribe Royale. Flat Series 1 call station. Oh, that one. I don't want to get you guys.
He wouldn't admit that he was wrong with that.
Up to 10. Here we go. All right, we'll go down to 1. Hear the motor starting up. Here it goes. And that's gonna be it. All right, these are gonna be the Tower 3 elevators at the Caribe Royale, Lake Buena Vista. So let him go. Got this one. 210. Just gonna take one quick ride on this. It's fine with you.
If it's okay.
You want to get one more ride?
Or maybe I would like to walk or check out the hallway if it's okay.
Okay, sure thing. We'll do that. $10. Here's a view out over here. Said you want to look at a hallway?
Yeah, but hold on.
Well, I'm gonna go over here. Here's the pool over there. You got a water slide. That's nice.
Yep.
Hopefully we can get in that tower there. We got that tower. There's the hallway. All right, we'll take these down, back down.
That's the Otis chime I like.
It's a nice chime. We'll go down to 1 and end there. Same cabs as the other one.
Yeah.
And there it goes. One of them's nudging. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.